6 feet from that edge. This foot is completely gone. Huge cavity right there. Huge cavity right there. Nails, stuff like that. Above the bathroom, right there, wide open. For the roof, yes, we have major and massive shingle loss everywhere, and it's a double layer roof, so no repair, it's a full replacement. Unfortunately, we will have to go with the plywood replacement. Plywood is completely delaminating and falling apart, so we will have to take all the plywood out. If this video was valuable for you and you like it, we have another video that we would suggest you to look right here. And don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. See you in the next one.